Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari California versus the Mercedes AMG GT. We'll dive into their performance, design, and overall driving experience to help you decide which car better suits your preferences. The Ferrari California boasts a naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8 engine, while the AMG GT counters with a potent 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Both deliver exhilarating power and rapid acceleration, making every drive a thrill. Moving to aesthetics, the Ferrari California exudes classic Italian Grand Touring elegance with its sleek lines and retractable hardtop. In contrast, the Mercedes AMG GT sports a more aggressive, modern, and muscular design. Inside, both vehicles offer luxurious cabins with high-quality materials and advanced infotainment systems, though their ergonomic philosophies differ significantly, catering to distinct tastes in luxury and sportiness. When it comes to the driving experience, the Ferrari California offers a more refined and comfortable Grand Touring feel, perfect for longer journeys. The Mercedes AMG GT, however, provides a sharper, more direct, and track-oriented driving dynamic. While neither is a family hauler, the California does offer two small rear seats, providing a touch more practicality for occasional use compared to the two-seater AMG GT. Considering value, the Ferrari California generally commands a higher price point, reflecting its exotic brand status and naturally aspirated engine. The Mercedes AMG GT often presents a compelling performance-to-cost ratio, making it an attractive option for many enthusiasts. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize classic Italian elegance and Grand Touring comfort or aggressive modern performance. Check the description for a link to great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.